everyone! Welcome to our channel. I'm your host, bringing you a deep dive into the fascinating world of Reactjs today. Reactjs is an open-source front-end JavaScript library developed and maintained by Facebook, widely used for building dynamic user interfaces and single-page applications. Now let's uncover what makes Reactjs so powerful. Reactjs is all about building user interfaces. Unlike a framework, it's not just for the web. React can also render to other environments, such as React Native for mobile applications. The heart of Reactjs lies in its component-based architecture. Developers break down complex UIs into reusable components, making code organization a breeze. Reactjs originated from the need for faster DOM manipulation. Facebook developers realized that the traditional document object model, or DOM, was slow. Thus, React introduced a virtual DOM, a JavaScript representation of the actual DOM. React.js evolves rapidly, with new features introduced in each version. The current stable version is 18.2.0 as of June 14, 2024. React.js excels in building single-page applications. Its ability to update content without full-page reloads provides a seamless user experience. Developers love React.js for its component reusability. You can create custom UI elements and reuse them across your application. Need real-time updates? React.js handles dynamic data effortlessly, making it ideal for dashboards, live feeds, and interactive forms. React's virtual DOM minimizes actual DOM manipulation, resulting in faster rendering. JSX, or JavaScript XML, allows you to write HTML-like syntax within your JavaScript code. It's the magic behind React's component rendering. Introduced in recent versions, hooks simplify state management and side effects. React has a vibrant community with countless libraries, tools, and resources available. Ready to master React.js? Join our comprehensive course. We'll cover React fundamentals, component lifecycle, state management, routing, and more. Basic JavaScript knowledge is helpful, but beginners are welcome. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our React.js journey. React.js empowers developers to create powerful, responsive, and maintainable web applications. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, React.js is a must-learn. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow developers, and subscribe for more exciting content.